Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Plugins. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to display ACF repeater fields in a loop grid layout inside Elementor using Loop Grid extender for Elementor Pro. First, make sure you have installed and activated Advanced Custom Fields Pro, Elementor Free and Pro, and Loop Grid extender for Elementor Pro. Now, we have to create an ACF repeater field. For this, go to Custom Fields, Add New and create a new field group. Assign name to the field group. Select the field type from the list, then enter the field label and name. Now, inside the repeater field, add the subfields according to your requirements. Like I am entering car name, car price, transmission, fuel type, etc. Scroll down to the location rules and set it to show on post. Click Save Changes once done. Now, let's create a new post or open an existing one. You'll see the car's repeater field appear with all the subfields. Start adding rows for each car with their details. After updating all the rows, click Update to save the post. Next, you have to create an Elementor Loop template. Go to Templates, create a new template and set the type of template as Loop Item. Click Create Template. Inside Elementor, drag an image widget. Click on the dynamic tags, scroll down, and select ACF repeater image. In the pop-up settings, select the image field from your repeater. Next, add a heading widget. Again, use ACF repeater text as the dynamic tag. From the repeater field option, I'll select the car name field. Now, add an icon list widget. For each item in the list, connect the ACF repeater text fields one by one as we have done before. After done with all the changes, publish the page. Now, let's display loop on a page. Go to Pages, click Add New. Edit the page with Elementor. Search for the Loop Grid widget and drag it onto the page. In the settings, choose Post as the template type. Then select the car loop item template you just created. Adjust columns, number of items per page, etc., as needed. Now, open the Query Control panel. Toggle Use ACF Repeater to on. Disable Current Post Repeater only. Select the car's repeater field. After satisfied with all the changes, publish the page. Preview the page. You'll see your repeater field data displayed beautifully in a loop grid format.